Most legal cases in India don't start in court. They start with a legal notice. Hello everyone, I am Shaik Mohammed Shafi, advocate and psychologist from Vakil360. So in this video, I will be explaining the 10 most important types of legal notices used in India. Uh, when they are issued, when they are using, and why they are very important in simple and practical terms. So before going to the 10 most important legal notices, so I just wanted to explain what is a legal notice to the people who doesn't know what is a legal notice, right? So as first they will understand what is a legal notice, then we'll explain the other parts of types of legal notices, right? So coming to a legal notice, okay. So what is a legal notice? Legal notice is a kind of format in written communication sent before filing a case in court. So what is the purpose of this legal notice? So it is to inform to the opposite party of your legal claim, okay, and this will give them a chance to resolve the issue, okay, and it will avoid the unnecessary litigation in future. So it is just a kind of intimation that we are going to file a case against you, okay. So it is actually necessary before filing a case in the court, right? In simple terms, let's understand. So what different kinds of legal notices and notice. So let's get started in the slide. So now civil dispute notice, right? Civil dispute notice. So this notice is used in property disputes like money recovery cases, agreement breaches, or partition matters, or tenancy issues, right? So its purpose is to demand compliance or settlement before filing a civil suit. So where they are using it? In simple terms, used in property disputes, money recovery, agreements, breaches, partition, tenancy issues. And what is the simple purpose is to demand compliance, settlement before filing a civil dispute. So what are the key points available for this notice is like issued under section 80 CPC when notice to government authorized is required. Explains claim, relief, sought and time to give compile, right? So this is about civil dispute notice. Next is notice for breach of contract. So what is a notice for breach of contract? Issued when a party fails to perform contractual obligations, delays work, or does not make a payment. So used in failure of perform of a contract, delay non-payment, or defective goods or services. The purpose is to give a chance to rectify the breach. Okay, what are the key points here? So but must mention contract terms violated, often sent before initiating a suit for specific performance of a damage. Like which contract terms were violated have to be mentioned, what remedy is demanded from us. Okay, this is usually sent before filing a suit for damages or specific performance. Next, consumer complaint notice. Okay, where we use this used when consumer faces a defective products, poor products, bad services, cheating by sellers or service providers. So this notice gives the seller or service provider a final opportunity to resolve the issue before approaching the consumer commission. So it actually helps avoid litigation if the seller resolves the issue. Next, property and eviction notice. So this is specially for the people who have given the rent, lease or illegal occupation. So the notice is issued for rent default, lease termination, illegal occupation. So it legally informs the tenant to occupants to vacate within a specific period, usually 15 to 30 days. So these are the key points, like it includes period of vacating time, mention the rent default, misuse or violation of tenancy agreement, right? Next, check bounce notice, section 138 NI Act. Okay. So here, when the check is dishonored due to insufficient funds or payment has stopped or signature mismatch. So these are the reasons where check is dishonored or bounced. So what is the purpose? To allow the drawer 15 days to pay the dishonor amount. So actually it's a legal notice must be sent within 30 days. Okay. So giving 15 days time to make the payment. These are the main important points. Without this notice, no check bounce case is maintainable. Next, family or matrimonial dispute. So this used in matters related to divorce, maintenance, child custody, cruelty, restitution of conjugal rights. Okay, they like what is the purpose? Last opportunity for settlement before litigation. Key points like often used in attempts for mutual settlement or mediation. So this notice serves as a last opportunity for settlement before litigation. Next, employment or workplace notice. So these are issued for wrongful termination, unpaid salary, harassment in company, workplace, violation of service contract. So these are the use cases where this can be issued. And what is the purpose? Like to record the grievance and demand a remedy before approaching a labor court. So this notice helps to record the grievance officially before approaching the labor court. So it is important for record keeping and future litigation purposes. Next, defamation notice. So what is defamation notice? So when false statements harms a person reputation, so this notice issued. Where we will use it? False statements are harming reputation, written or spoken. So what is the purpose? To demand apology, retraction and compensation. So these are the three more important, and what points to be noted: often resolves matter without going court. So we need to understand this. Next, notice to government authorities like under section 80 CPC. So before filing any case, government departments or public departments, so section 80 CPC requires a mandatory 2-month notice. So when when suing government departments officially or publicly, we use this notice. Okay, purpose mandatory pre-litigation intimation. Okay, and what is the key points here? 2-month notice period. Failure may result in rejection of your suit. And the last but not the least is corporate or business legal notice, where we use this in trade disputes, partnership issues, copyright violation, debt recovery. Okay, we'll use all these scenarios, and this notice usually includes strict deadlines and legal consequences. So these are the 10 most important notices can be sent before filing a case, before suing. I hope this helps you to understand the notices. Thank you. Please subscribe Vakil360 YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.